Adding decimal numbers by Mason. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to add decimal numbers. It's basically like normal addition, just with decimal numbers. So obviously the first step is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then the next step is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then that would be your answer. But because it's decimal numbers, you still have to add the decimal. The way to find where the decimal goes is you see how many numbers are behind the decimal. And there are 1, 2 numbers behind the decimal. So that means you start from the right and you go 1, 2 spaces. So then that means the decimal would go right here. And then you add a 0 in front of it. That's your answer. Hope you like this video. Subscribe.